Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I usually remove my dip powder nails. A viewer requested that I do this a while ago, and I was supposed to post this video a few months ago, but I forgot. So these are my butterfly nail designs using Revel Nail Havana, and this set was probably a week old. I will link to this video in the cards. So I start by removing the rhinestones with my cuticle cutter. It was surprisingly not difficult to remove, and the large rhinestones were still intact, so I can use them again. I was going to do another video on how I remove my nails, seeing that this video was filmed with my old camera, but I just didn't feel like doing that. Plus the video isn't that bad, the quality isn't as good as my new camera, but y'all can see what I'm doing. If y'all want me to do another video with the better camera, let me know in the comments below. I might consider if y'all want it. When I was finished removing all of the rhinestones, I cut the nails down to a shorter length. Then, using my Melody Susie nail drill, I'm going to be filing down the nails to a thinner layer. You can file to wherever you're comfortable with. This nail drill is really good, but mine had a short, and I needed to put tape on the nail drill for it to work. Presently, I have another nail drill, but I still use this one from time to time. I guess I was just bad lucky to get a bad nail drill, but it still works good. So it's up to y'all if y'all want to take a chance and buy this nail drill if y'all like it. You can use a nail file, but I wouldn't recommend that because it will take an eternity. Now these are all the nails filed down, and I'll be using my nail clips. You can use foil if you'd like, but this is my preferred method, and I also use acetone. So I just placed some acetone in a glass. Now I'm using one cotton ball to remove all of my nails. I separated it into smaller pieces. This part is necessary because thicker cotton balls would make penetration of the acetone into the nail take way longer. So I just drenched the cotton in the acetone, placed it on my nail and clipped it. Sorry for being out of frame, I don't know what happened to me here. Then I waited 15 minutes. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button below. So this is after 15 minutes, and now I'm just removing the clip and the cotton. As you can see, the dip powder is getting really soft, and the ring finger was still a little hard, but that's fine, we can fix that. So using my nail drill, I just lightly filed the nails to remove the soft acrylic. Do whatever makes you comfortable. You can use a hand file right here to do it, but I have no patience. Then I take some more cotton from the same cotton ball I used earlier and separated it into smaller pieces and placed it back on the nails. You can reuse the old cotton, but I decided not to, but sometimes I do. Right here I'm just showing what remained from the cotton ball I used. Then I waited a little less than 15 minutes. I forgot to count it this time, but it wasn't as long, and as you can see, most of the dip powders are off of the index and there's a little bit on the middle finger. The ring nail has a lot still, but that's okay, and the pinky nail had little to no acrylic. So I disposed of the cotton on all of the nails except the ring finger. I just placed some more acetone on the ring finger and put back the clip on the nail for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I used my 100/180 grit nail file to remove the remainder of the powder from the rest of the nails. It may look like I'm being aggressive, but this clip is sped up a little and it just looks like that, but I'm not. Then I removed the clip from my ring finger and filed with the hand file to remove any excess dip powder. Next, I just rubbed some acetone on the nails to see if there was any more acrylic left over on the nails. So again, I'm showing what was left from the one cotton ball I used. Now I'm just pushing back the cuticles. Then I add some anti-inflammatory drops. This helps to stop any infections or anything that might occur on the nails. I don't use this often, maybe once, twice or 3 times a month. So I'm just doing the most for YouTube right now. I'm being fake, I know. Then I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and that's it. So removing your nails don't really take that long, especially if you have a nail drill, so invest in one. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!